Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add subtitles or CC in your videos with Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you will be needing to do now is just open your project. So after opening Filmora, you can go to the file, create a new project, or you can open an existing one. Now, all you will be needing to do is to add your subtitles. So basically, if you want to create your subtitles from scratch, you will be needing just to start adding text. So you can either simply like just go here and add quick text, or you can simply go to titles, and from here you can start like adding subtitles. So you will just like translate everything yourself, etc. But this is not very optimal. Another way to do it is by like using AI tools, and AI would allow you to add subtitles for your whole video automatically. So basically now we will be needing like to search for the AI tools doing this job. So here in this toolbox or in this tool menu, we will find these tools. So here we have the AI object remover, we have like the speed, AI color palette, etc. What we are interested in is to have like the text to speech or speech to text. So here we will have like the speech to text, and basically it will start like going through my video. It will listen to all the language, and then it will start creating uh, it will create the subtitles. So as you can see, also here you can either like start having a titles or an SRT format. So here you can like choose also the format for your subtitles. And by that, you will be having like the CC on your video. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.